too many films and too many filmmakers being thrown at me, but somebody, I think, because we are also running short of time, I think, but one question about the future of action and gangster and cop universe. How do you see that evolving? And all the people who want to ask him questions about so many films and so many filmmakers, I think it'd be great if you could send us a whole list, and then maybe we can have him, every other day of the week and discuss one filmmaker at a time. But for now, a bit about the future of the...
Okay, so the future of action is great because I think the knowledge that now people have gained about action, again, we never got the physics of action right. Whenever there is a punch, there is first an involuntary movement and then a voluntary one. We never ever followed that. But to our credit, we've across generations have had these great stuntman actors. Like the first one who broke out, other than Nara Singh, was actually Amitabh Bachchan. I think the kind of stunts that he pulled off in those periods were incredible. I mean, the wrestling locks that he did and, the somersaults that he did were like amazing. They're like really as good as anyone who does in the world. And the second greatest stuntman actor whom I'm the biggest fan of is Shah Rukh Khan. I think in every small gesture, every small dance move, every small even conversations, I mean, the kind of stunt that he did is incredible. I think in fact, I'd love to kind of list down these things that he did, which looked so innocuous and just, flew past us, but were like extremely dangerous, incredible stunts. So I think I really wish Shah Rukh was like 32 now, yeah. Because the kind of thing, it's almost like,
throw him a script with him as the action hero. For all you care, he'll be ready to do it. Yeah?
I'd love to. He's the greatest we still have, in spite of Tiger Shroff being here, and then Akshay Kumar is like really largely responsible for being the only actor for me who has the fighter's gaze. So when a close up is there on him, the way he kind of gauges his opponent. I think no other actor actually does that, and only a fighter can kind of do that. I don't even see Tiger Shroff doing that, but obviously he's incredible with gymnastics and the other things. But I think I'm really dying to go back to all these superstars in the 50s and do like a great action film with them, because I think they need this technology, they need the safety gear, and if we can pull off an action film with them, I think it would be greater than, because I think they can easily drop the emotions right, because the kind of life that they led and the stardom they've been through, I think it's perfect for them to kind of come back to a genre that they've loved and probably never had the right kind of approach to it. So the action looks great. Action will do well because I think there are enough foreign expertise that is coming in, and I think there are enough filmmakers who are understanding action. I think even though I kind of we put off with the politics of Tanaji, but Om Rawat kind of understands action really well. I was really kind of appreciative of the way he staged action in Tanaji. I think that was really well done. The staging, because choreography after a point gets really boring, but he kind of got the emotional staging very right. So I think he's a very talented director. I think he should just be given like a nice caper film, no politics. I think he'd really make a very cool film. So the action genre is great.
And what about the cop and gangster universe itself?
That's kind of tricky,
because action is a larger entity. I mean, if I'm going to look at
yeah. But cop gangster is a little stale now, because unless you have the right attitude for the politics and have the responsibility to lay it down right, we can't. It's a topic. It's too sensitive now. I think now every filmmaker needs to really get in. Of course, there is Sinma and there is Suryavanshi, but other than that, I think any of us doing it need to get in with like very long, clear vision, and try and addressing a lot of things that need to be addressed. I think that needs to be done. We need to be really responsible with the top universe. I think the gangster one is almost dead. Unless we try to do a Once Upon a Time in America. We tried to do that in Bombay Velvet, but unfortunately it failed. Otherwise, that could have been like a genre wherein we could have gone beyond the 80s and the 70s. Haji Mastan, and really gone into the bootlegging era, which was also a very interesting, fascinating, and a very colorful time. But we kind of lost it because that needs money, because it needs setting. But I really see a resurgence happening from there. In 70s, it's very stale for me.
Okay, just one last question before I call it off, call it a day. Somebody wanted to know about the Phantom film you're working on, and another person wants to know how to approach you to be an intern.
Intern, you can just message me on Instagram. I usually reply. And Phantom, a draft is done. We are internally reviewing, and I'm super excited about it. It took me around this year. In fact, we commissioned it last April. It took me around a year to kind of finally come in terms with as to what this, because Phantom as a comic is super problematic. It's like a white man, residing in a cave and protecting the pigeons. So that really can't be done. But I think we are at a great space. I've collaborated with Nirain Bhatt on this. Nirain has written Bala earlier. A lot of Gujarati tunes, and he writes lyrics as well. So I've collaborated with him on writing. And I'm super excited to get actor in quarantine to read it and just green light it. Make it like a legend film which doesn't have to release missiles.
Great. We are really looking forward to it. And I think we've kind of gone past an hour that we had. Thanks so much, Prabhasan.
Thank you.
It's my first time also, so maybe at times we were talking at cross purposes, and I was going a little cross-eyed trying to kind of, put the questions which I see streaming below.
No, but this was a lovely evening that I needed it.
Yeah, it was great fun. And hope to have you again soon on the on this series again with another director.
I'll be following it,
Yeah. Okay. Thanks so much.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thanks everyone for being around. Thanks so much.